how to turn off motion photo on Android. I am currently using a Samsung phone, so it may vary from device to device, so make sure to follow along. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's begin. So first you will have to open your camera app, and this is the default camera of Samsung. So here you can see all of these options at the top: the settings, the flash, the timer, the ratio, the camera megapixel one. All after that, you can see this option, that is the icon for motion photo. So if it's yellow and highlighted, that means it's turned on. So in order to turn it off, you can simply tap on it. Now the motion photo is off. So you have to know also one thing is that motion photo is automatically disabled on low light conditions. So you cannot enable motion photos at night on low light. So yeah, that's basically it. uh, I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.